what this fixed attribute is. Fixed attribute, nothing but I'm going to use position as fixed here. Okay, in the same paragraph, what I will do, I will use the position as fixed. What makes the difference? I will use the fixed, no issues if I kept a Z index also, right? What makes the difference here is, see, here, if you use a relative or absolute, any other position element, a position attribute, this image, right? This image, there I'm using the position, a positioning attribute like relative absolute. This image will be moving, right? This image will be moving to the place where I am giving, right? Where I am specifying in the code. But if you use the fixed attribute, if you use the fixed attribute, this image will be remain same here in this position. Other than that image, means these contents will be scrolled. Means you guys have observed, right? In Facebook or in other applications, right? At the left hand side and the right hand side will be fixed. Only the center part will going to scroll. That part only will be working. Left and right part will be not working. There I used a position fixed, right? So for example, I open this Spotify here, right? See, this Spotify, this is one application. This is one web application, right? See, if I move, only this part is moving. This is scrolling, right? This content is scrolling, correct? This content is scrolling, and this is fixed, right? Bottom, this is fixed, and this is fixed at the left hand side. Only which part is moving over here in this application? Only the center part, right? How to achieve this one? We're going to achieve this by using the position fixed, right? If you want to keep this part as fixed and this part as fixed, then you're going to use the position fixed, right? So in code here, this code will be working. It will work, but to give more effective explanation like this, it requires what? Some other more code I have to write over here. It will take too much time. That's the reason I'm just showing the particular example, relevant example I'm showing here. But in the lab program, surely I will show how to keep one particular image or one portion we fixed and other portion we're going to scroll, right? This is what a fixed is. Okay, so I will just save this part and I will run over here. Okay, now see, I use the fixed and this becomes the fixed part. And if I move this one, if I scroll, for scrolling I need more this one, right? More content I need, and I have to write the code for scroll also, right? For scroll means in the CS I have to write the separate external CSS for this. It will take too much time, right? So you just now you understand what this fixed is, and I will surely explain how to create that fixed position and all. Okay, in upcoming classes in lab I will show that one, how to do that one. Okay, this is what the fixed